These are no ordinary bicycle tubes. These extra strong inner tubes stop flats for 2 years because there is slime inside. Slime Tube Sealant seeks out and instantly seals punctures in your tubes up to 1/8, 3 mm, using Fibro-Seal Technology. Designed specifically to stop tube punctures from ruining your ride and keep you going. Schrader Valve tube, that installs like any traditional inner tube and full instructions inside every pack. Environmentally friendly. Non-toxic, non-corrosive and non-hazardous, non-flammable, water-soluble. Top reviews from the United States. Great for my jogging stroller. As a bike person, I would not generally recommend using these self-sealing tubes because they can make a huge mess in your tires and they can seal up the valve, becoming useless. That being said, I kept getting flat tires in my bob stroller from the goathead thorns in TX, so I bought these out of desperation. It's been almost 2 years and I haven't gotten a flat since I put these in. I don't mind changing tubes, but it has been nice to not have to.